I was wondering if it's permissible to make wudu by submerging face, arms, feet entirely into the same bucket, and if this is considered wasting water, since by doing this, you would use way more water.
Okay, first of all, there are two concepts here. Number one, is washing a limb, whether it's the face or the arms, sufficient by submerging them in water, or must I rub my organs? The most authentic opinion is that washing is sufficient. So if I'm at a riverside and I just put my arm in it and it comes out all washed off, and I do the same, this is sufficient. Concept number two, the bucket of water, the schools of thought differ in the classification of the water that we have. So some schools of thought classify it to be tahur, tahir, and najis. So tahur is the water that can uplift a ritual impurity, and it can remove a physical impurity. Tahir is the water that was used, so they say, in purification. So now it cannot uplift a ritual impurity. It's pure in the sense that it's not najis, but I can't use it for wudu. And the third is najis, which we all know. This classification of three levels is not authentic. And the authentic classification, as we've discussed this in so many of my lectures in Umdatul Ahkam and the Islamic Fiqh on my YouTube channel, and on Zad Academy as well, it's classified into two, either pure or najis. So tahur and tahir is the same, in the sense that if I washed my hands and my face and it dripped, the water dripping is still usable. I can use it even if it fell in the bucket of water. So now, if I submerge my face in a bucket of water, which is not a very pleasant thing to do, but if I do so, does the bucket of water become najis? The answer is no. Because in order for it not to be used in wudu, it has to carry an impurity, an najasa that is visible, either by color or by taste or by smell. Or the nature of the liquid in the water in the bucket has changed. As if the case, if I put, for example, 2 or 3 bags of tea, and I soak them and I take them out. So the water is still pure, but it's not water anymore. It's transformed into a different liquid called tea. Now I can't perform wudu with this. So I hope this makes sense.